For today's topic, we're going to talk about the Lightburn hotkey editor. So hotkeys are really nice to use. They can save you some time. But sometimes you may not like the combination you have to use to activate that hotkey. So there's a way to change it in Lightburn. So you can go up to File, Preferences, and Edit Hotkeys. So you get this pop-up, and you'll have to stretch it out a little bit. At least I do every time. And your categories are on the left and hotkeys on the right. So we'll just pick one. So if we wanted to change the exit from being Control Q to something else, you just click on exit. Down at the bottom, click the clear button. And then you can start trying combinations. And if it's something that's already in use, it'll let you know. Like we know Alt X is in use for export. So if I push the Alt key and the X, it'll tell me Alt X is already in use by export. So it may be a little tricky finding other combinations, but I suppose if you try hard enough, you can. Okay, so I'm going to reset everything here. Reset all. And having a computer background, even though you can reset everything, I'm a big proponent of backing up. So before you make any changes at all, you can click Export and then just go somewhere and name it to let yourself know that's the original set of hotkeys so you can import them at any time. So you may find some things. Now, if you do make a change and you have a different set, something other than the original, by all means, export that set of keys and save it. Save those hotkeys so you can pull them back up anytime. So I haven't changed any keys. So far, I'm fine with the original ones from Lightburn. But now, if you're not, we know how to change it. So, like I've said before, I know these short videos, in a lot of cases, are inconsequential, but for the people that need to know them, I think it's helpful. And I really hate having to watch a super long video to find some little nugget that'll be helpful to me. So if this has helped you out, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel grow, keeps me in the shop making videos. I really appreciate it. So that's all for now. You folks take care, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.